Have a seat. I'll bring them right out.
Hey! Watch where you're going, man.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
Do you know how expensive this suit is? Much more than you can afford.
You're probably right. I'm really sorry, sir.
Some people. Anyway, let me get 3 slices of cheese.
We have a 5 for $5 deal if you want to add 2 more.
Yeah, sure, why not?
Great. Have a seat. I'll bring them right out.
What the heck?
Okay, 5 slices of cheese.
Great pizza, right?
This is unbelievable. Really? You're gonna take the last slice of pizza?
Oh, sounds like you're hungry. There you go.
That is disgusting. What is wrong with you? You know what? You should be ashamed of yourself. You should go out and get a job instead of eating other people's food.
Here's your pizza, sir.
No, you already dropped mine off.
Oh, that was his pizza. He ordered the same thing.
Oh my God. That was your pizza.
Yes, it was.
I'm so sorry. That whole time I thought you were eating my pizza. And then you split that last slice in half. But why?
Well, I may not have much, but I'm always happy to share.
I shouldn't have been so quick to assume. Please, have some of mine. I'm more than happy to share.
Hey Dhar Mann fam, I hope you loved that message. Please remember, we're not just telling stories, we're changing lives. And when you share my videos, you're helping to change lives too. I appreciate you, and I'll see you in the next video.